Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. Today I've got a really helpful tutorial for you on how to restore your purchases in the Toca World app. Whether you're using an Android device like mine or an iOS device, don't worry, the process is exactly the same. So let's get right into it. First up, you'll need to launch the Toca Life World app on your device. Once you've opened the app, after a few seconds of loading, you should see the main screen. Now we're going to focus on the shop icon. It looks like a little green cart button. Go ahead and tap on that and give it a few seconds to load. After it loads, you'll be brought to a new page. To restore your app purchases, scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. There, you should see a black button that says Restore Purchase. Now in my case, I don't have any purchase history in my Toca Life World app, so I don't have the Restore Purchases feature. But if you've made any purchases in the app before, you should be able to find this button easily. Once you spot the Restore Purchase button, just tap on it and confirm. And that's how you can restore your purchases in Toca World. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks so much for watching and have a fantastic day.